Food is a basis for our life, and most of it are coming from farms around the world. Let's see a few amazing machines that are making farmers' life way easier. The Dewulf ZKIV is a self-propelled 4-row top-lifting harvester with a discharge elevator that can harvest under all conditions. Dewulf is the first machine builder to have developed a top-lifting harvester in which the harvesting elements are located ahead of the front axle and have a capacity of 120 tons/hour for fresh food shop carrots. With the 12 meters long Super Grip profile harvesting belts, the carrots are suspended uniformly and accurately in the harvesting belt unit. This machine is a great example of technology that changes the way people work. A big part of the farming transformation can be attributed to drones and other types of unmanned aerial vehicles. Within agriculture, drone farmers get in-depth data analysis and mission planning, as well as new tools capable of handling physical work. The efficient application of the field spraying is a persistent challenge for any grower. If you spray too much concentrated in one place, you run up extra costs and potentially decrease the quality of your produce. Too low a concentration, however, and you leave your crops vulnerable to being overgrown with weeds, malnourished, or eaten by insects and other predators, potentially decreasing the yield rate. However, the right farming drones and spraying payloads can distribute chemicals evenly and efficiently. The results? Improved crop quality and a higher yield rate without intense manual labor. The most exciting gadget of the year isn't a TV that displays NFTs or a foldable tablet computer or anything related to the metaverse. It's the autonomous tractor. The farmer doesn't need to be anywhere near the machine to operate it, either, as there's a smartphone app that controls everything. There are several companies working on autonomous farming equipment, and it's not even clear that big self-driving tractors are the best use of the technology. Case has an autonomous tractor concept that doesn't even have a cab for a human driver. AGCO, which owns farm equipment brands like Fendt and Massey Ferguson, is testing smaller autonomous machines, including a seed planting robot that's the size of a washing machine. The farmers will be able to use these machines remotely, so they don't even have to be on site, or they can be in one machine and operate a second one remotely, which comes very handy a lot of times. The base of this technology already exists, but we better prepare, because in the coming years we will probably see a lot of news about autonomous farming. One thing's for sure, it will take some time, but autonomous technology will find its place in farming and will make a lot of work more effective. After great anticipation, the John Deere X9 series combine was launched at Nampo Harvest Day 2022 and since then has created a massive hype around the incredible operational capacity and performance of the all-new Class 11 combine. X9 combines have the new John Deere PowerTech 13.6-liter engine, which delivers a 14% increase in power and an 11% increase in torque over the 13.5-liter engine. A high-pressure common rail system more efficiently injects fuel into the engine for additional fuel savings. So with one tank of fuel, you can work for a long time. For harvesting fruit for the food industry and harvesting olives and nuts, the tree shaker is a labor-saving and effective harvesting machine. The fully automatic tree shaker grabs the trunk, covers it and shakes just as hard as necessary. The collecting cloth is automatically unfolded and closed around the tree. This is precisely why time is being saved. The 2060 South African Rand is a high-performance offset harvester designed for high processing speeds and ease of use while ensuring the quality of the potatoes. The R2060 also has the largest tire size in its class, keeping ground pressure to an absolute minimum. With its standard equipment and additional options, the R2060 assists the driver in every way possible to achieve the best results when harvesting products such as potatoes. The R2060 has a 7-ton unloading on the move bunker as standard. In terms of operation, the driver has an ergonomic joystick and control unit.